which can work indoor and outdoor.
We use 2 rectangle plates, 2 big wheels, turkey motors and 2 speed motors and brain and 3 sensors. We get